Hello people, welcome to a YouTube video. Today I'm going to be checking out, this is my first proper iPhone video, yeah. So we've got an iPhone, we've got my iPhone with a Gen 2 fingerprint scanner. I'm going to put cling film over the top of it, and we're going to see basically what happens. Does it work or does it not work? I can get the damn thing off. There's also a thing, what I've done with my old phone, I've covered it in cling film to make it look like the screen smashed. Looks super cool. Doesn't work. Barely. Okay, let me take it out of the case. I probably should have prepared this all before the video. So I have a really tough case on it because I'm very accident prone with my phone. There we go, iPhone 6S. Where's my normal one? Okay, we're not going to do it in a case because why not? And it's a bit easier to get to the screen as well, and I can't get damn cling film out there. So just going to want a little bit of cling film, like that. That should be enough cling film, just a tiny little bit, and I'm going to apply it to my screen. My home button. Oh, that's a sticky side. I have to do it from scratch, right? Also, if you there's a little update video on Cloak Profit's channel. If you want to know about a bit more what's been happening. This was today, as of recording the video. Oh, I accidentally sounded right. Right, I can't really do this properly, but let me move my thing. Right, so we've got cling film. Right, and I can hold it up, and it worked. I'm not even kidding, no. If you put cling film over... Oh, God, that was my tripod, I just knocked over. Okay, so if you put cling film, what about if it's a bit wrinkled, right? And then put your finger on. Oh my God. This is literally amazing. And then look at that. And the home button still responds to all of your touch motion. Oh yeah, it lags a bit. Let me put my brightness right down. There you go, the camera can actually pick it up now. Okay, so there's my iPhone. Oh, try again. Okay, so genuinely guys, look. Okay, so I've wrapped my finger in cling film, like this, and turn my phone off. You can see the cling film around my finger. Oh, that wasn't really in shot, but it's brilliant. And I have a passcode as well. Look, Touch ID or enter passcode. Okay, that was my first little tech-related video. Well, can't wait to film the next one. Things on my iPhone. So I'm probably gonna film after this one. On my iPhone 6S Plus. I'm gonna put this back in the case and get this video uploaded. So goodbye and peace.